Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by turning voice control on because the system needs local language files to work reliably. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Voice Control and toggle it on. The phone will download required files, use Wi-Fi to save data. Once done, choose your primary language and enable Wake Voice Control only if you want hands-free activation. Make sure to grant microphone access, otherwise commands won't register. This initial setup gets everything prepared so your voice commands run offline and faster. Next, learn how commands map to actions so you get predictable results. Open Voice Control and tap commands to review built-ins like Open Control Center or Tap Back. Then create custom commands, record a phrase, choose an action, or run a shortcut. This is why personalization matters. It reduces errors. Make sure to test variations of phrases you naturally say. Also adjust recognition sensitivity and spoken feedback, because tuning these settings improves accuracy in noisy environments or with accents. Finally, put voice control into regular use because consistent practice teaches you which commands work best. Start with basic tasks. Open apps, dictate messages, or control media and refine custom phrases when you notice recognition failures. If things go wrong, first check the microphone and reduce background noise. If problems continue, disable and re-enable voice control to refresh language files. Make sure iOS is up to date. And remember, retraining or editing custom commands often fixes stubborn misrecognitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.